Okay, here we have a question on percentage and fractions of amounts. This is the third last question on a foundation exam, so you would have thought that should be a grade C question. I really can't see how this is a grade C question, so I put it down as a grade D, even though it is very late on the exam paper. So we'll start off with Mr. Mason asked this many students in year 11, 240, what they do next year. 15% goes to college, 3/4 stay at school, the rest of the students don't know. Work out the number who don't know. So we need to work out these two values of this 240 and then we can find out what's left. So the 15%, start off, when you're doing percentages on non-calculator, it's usually to do with 10%. So 10% is going to be 24, so 15% is going to be, so 5% is going to be 12, that's half of 10%, and 15% is going to be those two added together, which is 36. And that's 1 mark straight away. 3/4 of the students stay at school, so that's 3/4 of all the students, so 1/4 is equal to 240 divided by 4. Now 24 divided by 4 is 6, so 240 divided by 4 is just 60. So 3/4 of that is going to be 3 times 60, which is 180 students. And again, that's worth another mark. The rest of the students don't know, so we've got 240, take away those 36, take away 180, and that's going to give us the answer, which is 24. So writing this calculation gets you 1 method mark, and this answer gives you the final method mark, final answer mark. So 4 marks, one for the 36, one for the 180, or in fact not actually those answers, but the right calculation to get to those answers. Even if you made a mistake on the answer, it would still count. This though does not count unless you have got this method right from these two, and then you can get the answer. You could get 3 out of 4 marks by not actually getting the right answer. So it's very important to show you're working.